Live First Alert Severe Weather Day continues as we keep our eyes on the high water threat across much of central and eastern Kentucky. Live sky camera right over Hamburg continues to show the dreary look out there as more in the way of heavy rain comes this direction. The areas that you see in the oranges and red just to the northeast of Lexington, they have picked up almost more than 6 inches of rain over the past week. That is more than enough water to amplify some of the high water issues that we have out there. We're going to continue to track the heaviest rain on First Alert Defender. Right now, the steadiest is across eastern Kentucky. We're moving out of Magoffin and Morgan counties towards the Flat Gap and Paintsville community in Johnson County, as well as Floyd County. Coming back towards the Lexington Metro, the Bluegrass Parkway has dried out recently out towards Versailles and the airport, and the heaviest shower right now in the Lexington Metro is just in the northeastern parts of town, out towards Hamburg and along Paris Pike. That's where the heaviest rain is going to be. So if you're headed out those directions, be sure to take it slow and take that umbrella with you all. This area of low pressure continues to spin across western Kentucky, and that's moving on towards the east. If you remember Tropical Depression Bill earlier in the summer, this is taking a very similar track. However, this one is certainly not as strong, but it is still bringing the heavy rains around here. Temperatures anywhere you name it across central and eastern Kentucky were between 70 and 75. Northeastern Kentucky, they didn't get out of the 60s today, but when the sun came out, a lot of that humidity was certainly felt. That's also going to clear out, at least for the next day or two. As this low pushes on to the east, we've got gorgeous conditions moving on from the north and west. Once that high pressure takes over, it is going to make for a very gorgeous weekend. So as we plan the next 24 hours, we get you into the morning tomorrow. There is a shower chance, but watch what happens as we go through the day. 80s for highs, pretty much low 80s, upper 70s, but the sunshine does begin to take over, as well as mainly clear conditions by the time we get you into tomorrow night. So the hour-by-hour forecast into the weekend shows exactly what I'm talking about. Here we are, 11 o'clock tonight. Those showers are beginning to clear out. Clouds around for the morning. Look what happens at noon and towards the afternoon. A lot of this cloud cover begins to thin on out. And as we go towards the weekend, a lot of you may be running those races out there. We will have some cloud cover, but the weekend should be predominantly dry as you run those 5Ks. By the time we get you into Sunday, the winds are going to change out of the south. That means we're going to have some warmer conditions, upper 80s, mid 80s for highs on Sunday, as well as some more humidity and the thunderstorm chances. So rain around in the morning tomorrow, but things should clear out for the afternoon. A very nice evening for the Midsummer Nights run on Saturday. The storm chances arrive on Sunday, but it won't be much of a washout at all. Monday is going to feature a cold front coming through here, and that means that storms are going to be likely. But check this out. By the time the kiddos are headed back in Fayette County on Wednesday, those temperatures are going to feel much more like September than the dog days of summer.